Hi, welcome back to Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm Lisa. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a reminder before I get started to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell, and then you'll get a notification letting you know every time I post a new wig related video. So today I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. Go to pinkypromise.com and sign up to receive their email blast, and then you will get a new subscribers 30% off code to use on the site. Also, if you have any questions about what wigs are in stock and things like that, you can email support@pinkypromise.com. So today I am wearing this cute wig by Wille. This is Drive, and the color on this one is Cherry Red Mix. Very different from me. So I will tell you more about her in just a moment. All right, let's jump in and talk about Wille Drive. So just a reminder, these are heat-friendly synthetic fibers. These are their Futura heat-friendly synthetic fibers. And so you can add curl to her, or you can just leave her straight like this. She is a dedicated middle part, which I'll talk about in just a moment. So let me do a turn all the way around, and you can see her all from all angles, and then we'll get into all our measurements and stuff. So here's the front. I have seen her with a bang cut in, so that is doable. You would need to cut it, and then you would probably have to steam them in place to get them to stay. This is my right side. The back. My left. And back to the front. So she is a mostly all one length lob, although you'll see when I give you the measurements here that, you know, she does have a few layers. So she has a 12-inch bang here in the front, and then she has a 13-inch measurement from the crown. Her sides are 9.5 inches, and then her nape back here is 7 inches. So there's just a little tiny bit of layering, not very much. She's almost all one length. So like I said, she has a lace front and she has a middle mono part. So I will show you the lace front. So the knotting looks good on these this cherry red mix. Then here's your part. Part goes all the way back to the crown, which is very, very nice. So she has a very generous mono part. Her ear tabs, I have good coverage on her ear tabs. This cap, this is considered a petite average, but I felt like this with my Drive that I had in Chocolate Rooted that I've already reviewed. I felt like the cap was kind of big on that one. So this one is definitely one that I think has a little potential to go above average. So, but all of the Wille wigs are considered to be petite average, or most of them. A few of them have plus and things like that in the name, and that indicates that they are a larger size. So, but the ear tabs look really good. Very, very pretty. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior cap construction on her. Okay, interior cap construction for Wille Drive. So here is that middle part that goes all the way back to the crown. So you get a nice appearance of scalp there. And then the lace front is extended down onto the ear tab, so you have a lot of lace front there in the front for off the face styling, which is really nice. You've got the soft felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal, open wefting all through the cap, extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. So I'll flip her over and show you that part. And with her being mostly all one length, whenever you take her on and off, you definitely have to comb her out. She gets to be a bit of a mess, but not bad. So here is that mono part. Looks really, really nice. All the way back here to the crown, very natural. There's her lace front. Looks really good. Okay, let's look at this color, Cherry Red Mix. So the code for this color is 13333. So they describe this color as a blend of dark burgundy red and fire red. I definitely see the fire in it, the cherry, and the burgundy for sure. The burgundy is what stands out for me, but it's definitely a fiery red color. You know, redhead, redhead, redhead. So very pretty though. I've seen this on a lot of women, and when you have the right coloring, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. It's a little hard for me, but I managed to make it work. You know, sometimes it's just about what color top you wear and things like that, so. Really cute. Okay, let's take this color outside and look at it in the natural light. So here's cherry red mix in the natural light. This is under my patio cover. Then we'll take her out in the sun in a minute. Okay, so you can see the lace front. You can see that middle part. So you can see the fiery red, the cherry red, the burgundy. Okay, so here we are in the direct sun. You can see the fire in the sun. So this is just window light. You can see the burgundy more, just standing by the window. Okay, I hope all of those scenarios helped you get a good idea about how this color looks. So I will talk about styling with Drive, so you can definitely put her behind the ears. One thing I want to talk about is that since she has this extended lace front, you have some room up here in the front. So here I can feel the part, and then we go into the lace front. So you've got this room up here. If you're not crazy about the middle part, one thing that you can do is just in this front portion here, you know, you can part her a little more to one side if you just feel like that middle part is just a little bit harsh on you. So that's just an option that you have with this one if you want to take that part, you know, a little more to one side or the other. So just something to add. So, okay, so she is ear tuckable and she's easy with glasses. No problem, glasses go up on the head very easily. I don't think I would try to push my hair back. I think I would put the hair behind your ears because with it being almost all one length, that would be a lot for you to push back. So. And if you don't have your lace front taped down or anything, you know, you risk pushing your wig back, which none of us want that to happen in public, you know. So, she's cute with a headband. Beautiful fall color. And like I said, I have seen her with bangs cut in. So she does have enough length to do a half up, half down do. And of course with the heat friendly fibers, you could put some curl in her too if you don't want her so straight. I think I've got one hair down here, but. And then she has enough length also for a pony. And she has an extended nape, which is nice. She has really nice cap construction. Really cute. So you could do, you know, just a really low pony. This isn't a very high pony. You know, you can probably walk it up a little higher if you want to. Maybe wear her with, you know, like a cap or something if you're, she looks cute too with in a pony with a headband. So really, really cute. She's a very versatile style, you know. Like I said, heat friendly, so you can curl her if you want to, or you can leave her in this straight style. But don't forget that you can, you know, play around with your lace front there and get a little more of a side part if that is what you prefer. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review today. Don't forget to go to the website, sign up for the emails, and get that 30% off code. So until next time, thank you so much for watching and take care of yourselves. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.